Welcome to Spiritual Practices with Eliana and Greg, but Greg isn't here, so I'm doing it with my cousin Norah. We're going to do the spiritual practice of swimming.
Spiritual Practices with
Eliana and
Greg.
Sebastian.
And sometimes Sebastian too.
How is swimming a spiritual practice? It takes so much of your attention that you can't focus on anything else, so you forget what your day is like. Come on, let's go get changed and jump in. We're not gonna jump in. Norah, what's your favorite piece of advice?
My favorite piece of advice is learning something new while swimming. Ellie, what's your favorite piece of advice?
Well, learning to dunk my head, or your head, so that you can put your head underwater and you're not scared if you do put your head underwater. Thanks for listening. Bye. Now turn off your device and go practice. And be sure to